Hello YouTube, I hope you're enjoying your weekend. I am working as usual. Anyway, I had one potential backer ask me about OTA, over the air update. And I did make two codes. One is the first code that you would load to give the ESP32 the capability of uploading a code over air. So that's on here, and when I turn it on, the only thing that comes on is the LED for the sketch. And then you can, on your, where's my mouse, on the web page, I called it Envio, password is 12345, and as soon as you log in, you come to this page, and here you can select the bin file that you created earlier, which I will share all the bin files already compiled like this. All you have to do is pick one, upload, and get a new functionality. So let's go simple. This is just a blink sketch, yeah. So as you see, it's not connected anywhere, and here we go. We have blinking. And now I try another code, which is my all-time favorite screensaver mode. That's even available for the ESP. And Peter, if you're watching this, you will love it. And here we go. Matrix screensaver with Japanese letters. And you can turn it off, turn it on. It just starts up again. And if you want to switch it back or switch to another code, I have only 3 right now, so let's go back to the blink code. Update. And here we go. And I've built so many devices with the ESP32, and this is the first time, embarrassing, using it myself. So anyway, you see you can upload your code with no programming skills, only with your browser. And this, I haven't tried it because I'm recording the video with the, well, I could use it on my phone. I will try that. You could do this once you upload bin files to your phone, over your phone. You just go to a browser that you have on your phone, and the IP address on this example is 172.16.1.148, and that will be supplied, of course. When you get this, you will know what the IP number is, and you put it in your browser, and the first page opens up. This one says ESP32 login, and I will of course change this ESP32 to Envio, maybe even Envio node. And once you log in, you get to this screen, and then you can pick your code and upload it and be done with it. Very, very simple. It doesn't get simpler than that. And from now on, I have to promise myself I have to do this on my other products as well, because otherwise I always have to plug in the cable, plug it into the computer, plug it in here, upload code. The only thing, of course, is if you're changing your code, then you have to have the Arduino IDE open, or if you're writing new code, obviously, you write your code and you can test it by just directly uploading it via the wire. And once you know that the code is working, you can compile the bin binary file, and that is saved into the folder, into the sketch folder. I just can pull it over here. As you can see, this is the ETA web updater ino file, and that's the bin file that combines whatever the rest is in this code folder into this one single file, and that's what you select when you upload it to your when you use it up wirelessly to upload new code. And that's it. That's all there's to it. So everybody can do it, and I have so far I think 6 or 7 codes with the web radio, the air index, the air quality meter, the WU meter, stock ticker, watch code, and I have a few more ideas that I will get the code ready and supply the code by itself and also the bin file, and you can just pick the bin file and use it as you wish. Just as a reminder, if you haven't seen the previous videos, this is by the way, this is my first Kickstarter project, so please go to the Kickstarter page, and if you like it, please pledge for it. If you don't want to get it, there is a thank you pledge for €1, and you can just send me €1, whatever, or €2. I have 2 pledges and thank you pledges, and you can do that just to support me, and the link will be in the description, and I will also upload these videos to TikTok, and it's not gonna bring me anything TikTok, but and also to my Instagram channel and to Facebook, which I only have like family there and friends. So this is it. Why I'm showing you this thing with nothing on the screen, not just blinking. Let me get that beautiful screensaver. And Peter, you have to get this. Don't disappoint me. Isn't that beautiful? It's a must-have for all Matrix fans. Anyway, and you can do so much more with it with the web radio code I have also, and I will share all these via GitHub. So anyway, please do support it. I would really appreciate it. Right now it's not going great, and I have, as Kickstarter, if you don't get your goal, it just doesn't happen, and my goal is not very high, and I appreciate it if you would support me. Thank you very much, and take care, everybody.